Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This driver was a bit confused. This idiot's forget to drive. Today's encounter with a wrong-way driver. After 2 years, I caught one in the wild. Why make a perfectly safe U-turn when you can drive into oncoming traffic? This driver in front of me improperly merged out of the express lane. What's going on here? Hopefully, this homeowner selected electronic delivery on all of their documents. Nothing to say here. This idiot ran a red light. This idiot ran a red light. Justin. Do you think he was on his phone? The sun wasn't even in the other driver's eyes.
Oh my God, what are you doing? Oh my God, dude.
Imagine what insurance would say if they saw these two collide. Two idiots ignore a median and almost collide into each other. You can go, no one is watching. Went on vacation to Texas and brought my Dashcam, and damn, it was worth it.
Six and a half hours later.
I somehow knew he was going to dart over.
Shit, man.
Went to Wendy's and caught an accident on my rear cam while I was inside ordering. With the size of that thing, do you even think the barrier would stand a chance? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.